In this video, I want to show you how to open the hood of your Volkswagen Tiguan. Go on the driver's footwell over here and you're gonna notice a latch over here. Simply pull towards yourself. Pull twice just to make sure, okay? Pull hard. And then let's go in the front of the car. Go on the front of the car where the logo is and go right on the top over there. It's hard to see, but there will be a latch where my finger is right now. Okay, there's a latch that you need to press up. I'll show you once it's open. So I'll press on that latch to open and then pull up. That's the latch I was talking about. Now take your hood prop right over there. It's hard to do it with only one hand while holding the hood, but take it and you're gonna place the hood rod right over here where you see the arrow. Just like that, it goes in there. And this way the hood is up and you have opened it on your Volkswagen Tiguan. Thanks for watching, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.